Hello everyone, I wanted to do an unboxing. I purchased this from Amazon. It is a selfie ring light, like a cell phone holder. It's bendable so you can kind of maneuver it where you like. And there's also different settings for lights, so you can have it at a higher and a lower setting. And I wanted to purchase this last year, but they were completely sold out. I picked this up because I do film in different areas. I film on the floor, I film in my crafty space, I film in my kitchen, I film everywhere. And right now I'm actually on the floor, but I have this on the floor with me. Sometimes I like filming on the floor because the things that I have around me, it's easier just to grab than if I do it on my crafty desk. Right now my crafty desk is a hot mess. So anyways, I wanted to do a quick unboxing, and this is pretty much what it looks like here. That's the brand. And so let's open this up. I definitely need better lighting. And in some of my videos, it's so dark, like when I hold things up, see, like right here, when I hold things up, it's so dark that it's kind of annoying. You can't see anything. So I'm hoping that this helps. And so here's the clamp. So it's pretty long. As you can see here, here's the clamp for your phone. Yeah, and ooh, that's cool. So it goes to where you need it for your phone. And then here is the ring light. So in a minute, I'm going to set it up, and then I'm going to come back here, and here's the clamp. So it has one of plug it in with this, and here's the settings. So for crafters, you know, this will be awesome. Just for a surround light and then a light overhead, because when I hold things up, it's really, really dark and you can't see anything. I thought about purchasing a large ring light, but right now for my crafty area, it's not, I have nowhere to keep it. Yeah, we were going to purchase a home this year, but well, that's just a whole nother story. We don't know if we want to build or just purchase a home, but kind of, and I think there's 3 or 4 settings on this thing. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to hook it up. So I have it all set up. I have the ring light on. There is 3 different settings. Let me see if I can show you here. Just one second. I don't want to like blind you, but it does have 3 different settings. I want to leave it right there. Okay, so real quickly, I picked these up from Walmart, and this is the confetti that they have every year. They're usually different. So this time I did pick up the Ho Ho Ho, and this is the 3 different sizes. So really fun. I picked up 2 of those, and then I picked up a few of these snowflakes. Let me find the one I opened here. And it's just a hollow confetti snowflake. They had circles too, but I figured I could cut those out with my circle dice, so I didn't pick those up. That's all that I could see. I didn't see any like any other shapes and things. Sometimes they have like Santa Claus and things like that. I didn't see that this year. So here is the fun little snowflakes. You get a few of those, and then you get this size, and then you get the small size, which looks like that. So super cute. And I don't know if you want me to take out the ho ho ho, so you can kind of see the different sizes. So here is that one. Really, really cute. You get it in gold, green, and red. Here is the next size. And then the large size. This would be so fun to put on boxes and bags and tags, cards. And so really fun. I love it. There's this 3 sizes together. So that is my share on this fun little confetti, and then also my review on this Selfie stick here. I really love it. I love the lighting feature that it has, so you can move it wherever you want. It holds my phone really, really nicely, and you can pretty much maneuver it to any room that you need light and for it to you know, not move around. So I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.